Princess Frozen.
Power of controlling ice. Become a hair dryer.
Captain America. The Winter Soldier.
Become a hair dryer.
Iron Man. With his genius-level armor.
Become a hair dryer.
Moon Knight. Power comes from Egyptian moon.
Become a hair dryer.
Batman. Power of peak human abilities.
Become a hair dryer.
Wonder Woman. With his magical weapons.
Become a hair dryer.
Mo Fantastic. Power of elasticity.
Become a hair dryer.
Shazam. The control over magic.
Become a hair dryer.
More incredible. Power of destroy anything.
Become a hair dryer.
Frizzoni. Power of freeze anything.
Become a hair dryer.
Green Lantern. Which creates anything.
Become a hair dryer.
Captain Marvel. Power of energy projection.
Become a hair dryer.
Silver Surfer. Power of space travel.
Become a hair dryer.
Deadpool. With expert combat skills.
Become a hair dryer.
Flash. Power of super speed.
Become a hair dryer.
Thor. The god of thunder.
Become a hair dryer.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.